We're making pumpkin chai muffins with over 70 grams of protein. You just need some pumpkin puree, maple syrup to sweeten, making them have no refined sugar. To add the chai flavor and 40 extra grams of protein, we're doing 2 scoops of vanilla chai protein. It's plant-based and made with all clean ingredients. Coconut oil, eggs, a little milk, vanilla bean paste or extract. Before I add anything else, I'm gonna mix it a little using oat flour, which makes them gluten-free, baking soda, sea salt, pumpkin spice. This is optional, but I'm mixing in some sugar-free dark chocolate chips. And then add them into your baking cups and bake for about 25 minutes. Now for the most important part. Oh my gosh. They taste just as good as they look. The texture is perfect. Actually, no notes. These are amazing, and I could eat all of them right now.